39-year-old Pasong Doma started a weaving shop at home 13 years ago. She didn't turn it into a proper factory until 2012, when she recruited 5 workers from her village.
Most people who live in the village are women. They can't travel far to work elsewhere. And weaving is what we are good at. That's why I started this workshop.
Doma needed money for factory space and machinery, but the highest amount of credit loan she could apply for as a rural resident was just 50,000 yuan, or $8,000. That was far from enough to start a business. Doma talked to the local women's federation. The semi-official organization then worked with the local treasury and agricultural bank to grant Doma a 2-year, 200,000 yuan mortgage loan. Under the program, Doma was backed by a guarantee company in case she couldn't pay her debt. The local treasury would cover the 1.08% interest, while Doma only needed to pay the principal. Tibet's agricultural bank said that since 2010, nearly 400 women across the Tibet Autonomous Region have set up businesses thanks to the special loan. Shigaze's Bainan County has the most lenders.
Many
textile and manufacturing-related businesses in our county are established by women, but they didn't have proper training, and their production and sales were quite simple, so they didn't generate much revenue. We have set up this special microloan program to help them meet their financial challenges.
The women's startup loans here in Tibet often carry some welfare purposes. In order to receive government-subsidized loans, women entrepreneurs have to create job opportunities for other families in the same neighborhood. 32-year-old Lapa Cangchuk inherited her family's 5-generation craft of incense making. As a beneficiary of the microloan, she feels responsible for training and employing other villagers who live in poverty. She covers her 8 workers 3 meals and pays each of them 80 yuan a day. Cangchuk's incense is popular in neighboring areas, so she provides the option for her employees to work in exchange for the incense. They can then sell the product and keep the income.
Now my production is expanding, and I'm also training other villages to make incense. People from 2 nearby villages all come to buy in wholesale. I'm really happy with what I've accomplished.
Cangchuk is planning to build additional workspace and a storage house just outside the current site. And for early bird Doma, the local agricultural bank just granted her a new round of loans, totaling 2 million yuan. Doma plans to buy more machines from Guangdong province and expand her workforce to 100. Feng Xin, CCTV, in Shigaze Prefecture, Tibet.